High-end decor is often associated with expensive materials, exclusivity, and perfection, but reclaimed wood challenges that idea in the most exciting way. Every reclaimed plank carries unique textures, natural imperfections, and a history that new materials simply can't replicate. When used intentionally, these elements add depth, warmth, and authenticity to a space, qualities that define truly luxurious interiors. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Décor, where creativity meets sustainability, and everyday materials are transformed into timeless beauty. If you love elegant interiors, but also care deeply about the planet, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about high-end eco-friendly home decor ideas made from reclaimed wood, a design approach that proves luxury doesn't have to come at the cost of nature. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to Kuki Décor, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss inspiring ideas that help you decorate smarter, greener, and more beautifully. Reclaimed wood isn't just a material, it's a story waiting to be told, and in this video, we'll show you how those stories can elevate your home into a refined, design-inspired space. One of the most striking ways reclaimed wood is used in luxury interiors is through statement wall decor. Large reclaimed wood wall panels, geometric installations, or sculptural wall art pieces instantly become focal points. When paired with clean walls, soft lighting, and minimal accessories, reclaimed wood walls feel intentional rather than heavy. Designers often highlight the wood's natural grain and aging marks instead of hiding them, allowing the wall itself to function like living art. This approach adds visual interest without overwhelming the room, making it ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or even upscale home offices. Another powerful high-end decor idea is reclaimed wood shelving designed with a minimalist mindset. Floating shelves crafted from old beams or planks offer both functionality and elegance. Their simplicity allows the wood's character to shine while maintaining a clean, modern look. Styled with neutral ceramics, indoor plants, or curated decor objects, reclaimed wood shelves feel refined and timeless. This combination of raw material and thoughtful styling creates a quiet luxury that feels organic rather than forced, perfectly aligning with eco-conscious living. Furniture pieces made from reclaimed wood are at the heart of sustainable luxury. Dining tables, coffee tables, and consoles crafted from salvaged wood instantly ground a space. What makes these pieces high-end is not just the wood itself, but the design choices: sleek silhouettes, precise joinery, and balanced proportions. A reclaimed wood dining table paired with modern chairs, soft textiles, and warm lighting becomes a centerpiece that blends sustainability with sophistication. These furniture pieces often last generations, reinforcing the idea that true luxury is long-lasting, not disposable. Lighting plays a critical role in elevating reclaimed wood decor into the high-end category. Reclaimed wood light fixtures such as pendant lights, wall sconces, or floor lamps bring warmth and texture into a space while maintaining a sculptural presence. When combined with soft, warm bulbs and clean metal accents, these fixtures create a refined ambience. Lighting highlights the wood's grain and imperfections, turning them into intentional design features rather than flaws. This thoughtful use of light transforms reclaimed wood from simple material into a luxurious visual experience. Eco-friendly decor isn't complete without attention to small accent pieces, and reclaimed wood excels here as well. Picture handcrafted trays, candle holders, mirror frames, or decorative bowls made from salvaged wood. These details may be subtle, but they play a huge role in building a cohesive, high-end aesthetic. When accents are well made and thoughtfully placed, they communicate care, and craftsmanship, two qualities that define premium interiors. Using reclaimed wood for these pieces ensures your decor feels curated rather than mass-produced. One of the most exciting aspects of reclaimed wood decor is how it effortlessly blends with various design styles. In modern interiors, reclaimed wood softens sharp lines and adds warmth. In minimalist spaces, it introduces texture without clutter. In industrial settings, it balances metal and concrete with organic softness. This versatility is what makes reclaimed wood such a powerful material for high-end eco-friendly decor. It adapts, enhances, and elevates without demanding attention, making it a favorite among designers focused on sustainable luxury. Sustainability itself has become a defining element of modern luxury. Homeowners today value materials that are responsibly sourced, environmentally conscious, and ethically produced. Reclaimed wood checks all these boxes. By reusing existing materials, you reduce waste, conserve natural resources, and lower the environmental impact of your decor choices. When sustainability is combined with refined design, it creates spaces that feel meaningful and intentional, spaces that reflect values as much as style. This deeper connection is what makes eco-friendly decor truly luxurious. Craftsmanship is another key factor in transforming reclaimed wood into high-end decor. Hand finishing, precise cuts, and attention to detail elevate salvaged wood far beyond its original form. Smooth edges, balanced proportions, and carefully preserved textures communicate quality and care. High-end reclaimed wood decor doesn't hide its origins. It celebrates them through expert craftsmanship that honors both the material and the final design. This respect for process and material is what sets premium eco-friendly decor apart. Styling reclaimed wood decor requires a thoughtful approach to maintain a high-end feel. Neutral color palettes, natural fabrics, and subtle contrasts allow the wood to stand out without overpowering the space. Soft linens, stone textures, glass accents, and muted metals complement reclaimed wood beautifully. This balance keeps the decor elevated and prevents it from feeling overly rustic. The goal is harmony where each element supports the other, creating a calm, refined environment. As trends evolve, reclaimed wood continues to stand strong because it aligns with long-term values rather than short-lived styles. High-end eco-friendly decor isn't about following trends, it's about creating spaces that age gracefully. Reclaimed wood naturally does this, developing even more character over time. This aging process enhances its beauty, reinforcing the idea that true luxury improves rather than fades. As we come to the end of this video, remember that high-end eco-friendly home decor from reclaimed wood is more than a design choice, it's a lifestyle statement. It reflects respect for craftsmanship, appreciation for natural beauty, and commitment to sustainability. By choosing reclaimed wood, you're investing in decor that tells a story, supports the environment, and elevates your living space in a meaningful way. If you enjoyed these ideas and found inspiration for your own home or creative projects, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Décor. Share your thoughts in the comments, tell us which reclaimed wood decor idea inspired you the most. Your support helps us continue bringing you stylish, sustainable, and creative decor ideas. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces that feel good, look stunning, and honor the planet.